Hi everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I'm going to do the tutorial video for this center bag box set, and this was supposed to do before Christmas, but yeah, I'm so busy those days since we are moving to a new warehouse. So yeah, I just found, and then it comes to the January release. So yeah, so I finally have some time to do the tutorial video for this one, and I'm so sorry for the delay. But yeah, I know it's supposed to be a center bag since I'm working on the spring release, spring dies. So I'm going to make a spring theme, and just in case you didn't know, but this poinsettia flower and the bow and the chuck is also coming from in this set, but I didn't plan to use these, so I will put it aside. I'm sorry for the noise, and I will show you very quick for the paper that I use. I use this one. I think they are super pretty. It's from the Eco Park. It's springtime and the paper is so pretty, very cute, and I use them a lot in my January release project. So I have cut this out. I cut this one. This is the basic part. I cut it 2 times, and then I cut this layering piece 2 times. It all has the stitching lines around. See, I have cut both 2 times, and then for this is to make the button of your bag. So I have cut it 1 time, and I didn't add the layering piece in this video. You can do it at just as you want. And then here is the size, so you need to cut it 2 times to make the size. And this is the layering piece. So I have cut them 2 times and cut this layering piece 2 times. And I will put the cutting dies aside and let's start. So first I will just glue all these layering pieces on top. Okay, now all the layering pieces have been ready, and let's build this bag. So here is the folding line. First, fold all these folding lines and glue this flap at this side. And then glue this flap at this part. And this is the size, and just fold 1 part, and the other part is going to be the flap of your box on the top. And now glue this flap at this part. And then do the same to this one. And now you could just test to see where this curved part would be, because I'd like to glue the flap at this bottom piece. So it's about in this place, so I'm going to add glue. Just add glue here. So yeah, I learned this from Tony, who is craft page on YouTube, that she made it like so, and I find it, make this curved part super easier to do. So yeah, I learned it and I want to share it with you. I think it's very great. A good tip to just to glue this curved end. But yeah, you may see my hand here. I'm not sure, but I can't see it in a good way because I'm doing the video. But yeah. I need to add a little glue here. So you can move it to make it fit this edge better. And then do the same to this one. Sorry for this. It's really hard to, do the video to film this process. Let me see if I'm so sorry. See, really hard to do when I'm doing the video. But yeah, if you are not going to make a video, then I don't think you will get this problem. And also, I just realized that this paper I used, basic piece is too weak. So yeah, it's also another problem for me when making it. It's just too weak. See, I need to use a more thick paper to make the bases. And now, yeah, let's make this part. And so this is ready, and you could glue this part to the top so it will be more sturdy, or you just leave it like this. Yeah, I'm thinking to glue it on top. So it will be more sturdy since the paper I use is just too weak, too thin. That's really not good for me. I should have used a thicker paper to make the box. But anyway, I'm trying to fix it. Okay, so this part is better. Yeah, so yeah, this is better. Okay, so yeah, this is my way of making this one. And then I'm going to, I think, add this bow here. So yeah, it looks like this. I love this bow, very cute, right? Let me show you the other bows in this part, because I love the bows in this in this January release. So this is the bunny bow, and we also have a carrot one. I think it's also cute. Yeah, but my favorite would be this one. And I saw that if she did a little change, it's hard to, but I will cut it so you will see. Because I use twine here, so I can't take it out. But let me just show you. You could also watch her video, but she made it like this. See, it's a little short. This bow, it will look like this. So just, you know, you could cut this piece, this top piece out, and stick this two piece at the back side. This is also very cute, right? It will look like a different bow. Look how cute. And here you can see it will be shorter and it will look very pretty on your projects, I think. So yeah, it's another way to use this bow, and I love that. Thank you, Eve, for inspiring me. Thank you. And yeah, so this is the tutorial for today. And if you have any questions, just let me know. And so thank you for watching. Have a nice day. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Bye bye.